Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to add the bank account to your Bitget profile. Now let us begin. Well, you know that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to add our bank account. At the top left, right next to Bitget, you will see a button like this that says Buy Crypto. Simply hover over it and these things will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as P2P trading. Click on it. And guys, that is it. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the P2P trading page. Right here on the top right next to the user guide, you will see these three dots. Simply hover over it. And the very first thing that you will see is the payment methods. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, we can add our payment methods. Simply click on the Add Payment Methods button right here. Now all you guys need to do is fill out all of these details, simply ranging from your bank name to your bank account numbers and everything. And guys, that is it. Once you've done that, simply hit on Save and Use. That is it guys. That is how you add the bank account to your Bitget profile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.